Oh my god, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girlfriend Jenna. I'm back with another video today, and I decided to do a prank on my grandma because I haven't been doing videos for a long time, but I decided that I was gonna prank her, and the prank is gonna be about sneezing and coughing around her and making her think I got the corona to see her reaction. So before we start this video, like, comment, and subscribe, hit the notification button so y'all will get notified every time I upload a new video, you know what I'm saying? But I know I haven't been uploading because I've been busy with school stuff, you know, but ignore how crazy I look. I need to do my hair, guys. But let's get to the video, and I hope y'all enjoy. And if you haven't subscribed, what you doing? Subscribe, baby. Subscribe, because if you're not subscribe, what you doing? Okay, let's get to the video.
You ain't the one for me. You ain't got shit I need. Want me to take my time with you? Maybe I'm not your speed. Maybe I'm not your league. You ain't even got no cheese.
Class right now, so I'ma just like be in class and just like start sneezing and coughing. So let's get to the video. So now I'm just gonna wait till she comes because she's in the bathroom, I think. But okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go check what she's doing because she's taking forever. But disclaimer, I don't have corona. It's just a prank, guys. I want to see her reaction. And this is the first prank I'm doing to my grandma. I'll be back. Sí. A mí me da como está la cabeza. Mamá, los últimos días estoy como una estornudadera.
¿La tiene coronavirus? No, porque yo te estornudo. Y que tiene coronavirus.
No, yo no tengo coronavirus.
como arroz.
Y'all, so I'm gonna take y'all to wherever she is now so I could like keep doing the prank, cause you know I need to keep sneezing to see her reaction. Okay. Ah, ¿qué tú haces? Tú tienes, ¿cómo se llama eso? So, my fault about that, but it's kind of like, I'm trying to get this interesting. So, I will get some water, and when I sneeze, I will like, you know, like squirt it on her to see her reaction, okay? So, I'll be back. Like, put water in my hand or something. And I'm gonna just like squirt her or something. Okay. Hola.
Ya se está acabando.
No sé.
Ey, no hay que estarte mudando arriba, así, ¿no? Uy. Yo huyéndole a la gripe y tú atrás de mí, no.
Yeah. I'm not even gonna lie, this video was kind of short, but I tried my best. I really tried my best. It's not one of the best pranks, but I promise there's more pranks to come. But I will tell her later on as a prank because, you know, she doesn't really like to be on camera and stuff. She doesn't know that she was on camera, but I will later on tell her it was a prank. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me other pranks you wanted me to do. I'm gonna soon come back with more pranks. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, guys. Peace.